How to get $170 Costco promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in Costco promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Costco. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open the very first one, Groupon. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can see that $20 off, $40 off, $70 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you are interested in and want to use it. Just go ahead and click on it. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now I can head towards the website of Costco, make your purchase. While you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on shop now. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now I can log into your account. Browse through the menu and select the items that you want to purchase, and while you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and proceed to checkout. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, make sure you go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Costco. Well, this is how you can easily get up to $170 Costco promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.